All right, this is Kyle Romer. I'm administering my filmed test administration for this year. The test subject is of high school age, so the test material will be appropriate grade level material. The first test I'm going to be administering is the San Diego Quick Assessment to go over reading ability level. And the second assessment I'm going to be giving is the Masai Reading Comprehension Test, Reading Fluency Test. So we're going to get right to it. First one is going to be the San Diego Quick Assessment. Okay, so what I want you to do for this is I'm going to give you sets of words, okay? All I want you to do is to go through each word one at a time and read the word aloud.
Okay.
Okay? It's going to be a set of words, and then once you finish that, I'm going to give you the next set of words.
Okay.
All right? Here is the first set. Take your time in between each one. Doing something here, man.
Conscientious, isolation, molecule, ritual, momentous, vulnerable, kinship, conservatism, jaunty, and inventive.
Very good. Very good. And remember,
Very quickly.
take as much time as you want for these. Read it slow.
Okay.
All right, this is the next set.
Zanny, jerkin, nausea, gratuitous, linear, inept, legibility,
Okay.
aspen, amnesty, barometer.
Okay. Not bad on that one. Okay. All right, last one.
Okay.
Okay. Take your time.
Galore, rotunda,
Mhm.
capitalism, prevaricate, visible,
I like how you sounded that one out.
exonerate,
Okay.
superannuate, luxuriate, high bold, crunch.
All right. Very good. So, especially on the last two,
Yeah.
there's some big words on there, right?
Yeah.
But what I liked is you didn't skip over any of them. You sounded each one out, which is good. That's what I'm testing for.
Okay.
So, not bad, not bad. Very good.
Okay.
Good to see. Okay. The next test we're doing is going to be going over your reading fluency level. So, what I want you to do is I'm going to give you a passage here, and all I want you to do is when I start, when I tell you to start, I want you to just start reading aloud at the top of the page.
Okay.
Go line by line, and then when I tell you to stop, we're done.
Okay.
Okay. Go slow. Okay. Take your time for each thing and everything, and do your best.
Okay.
So here's the prompt. Okay. I want you to start here. Just go down. You can make it all the way here. Great.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to be following along with you. Okay.
Okay.
So when I tell you start, start, and begin.
There are three basic types of snowflakes. The first type is called stellar and is the one most people remember. Stellar flakes are feathery with small centers. They form when it's not extremely cold and when the clouds are low and wet. Because they cling together when falling, it sometimes appears as if they are descending in great downy clumps.
Good.
The second variety of snowflake is called a plate snowflake, and this form appears almost rock solid in compact configurations with six clearly seen
Doing
outer
great, keep going.
edges. They form when it's exceptionally cold and when clouds are elevated and almost dry. The final type of snowflake is a combination of the other two. It has a plate-like center with feathery arms. Even though there are these three types, each individual snowflake is truly unique in its configuration, because each snowflake is actually a combination of thousands of little crystals in a cloud. Water droplets are attached to frozen particles. They crystallize on that core. The snowflake develops crystal by crystal until it is heavy enough to fall to earth as snow. Snow does not seem very heavy when it falls, but don't let that fool you. If you have to shovel snow after a blizzard, you may lift a great deal of snow. If the snow is 15 inches deep, you might lift half a ton before clearing your walk. And that doesn't count the weight of the shovel you're using.
Very good. All right. Do you think you know more about snowflakes now?
Yeah.
I sure do. I sure do. Yeah. So what I was testing for on this, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the test. It goes over how words are read and how you're able to read a passage of just a certain number of words with the correct frequency. You did really good on it. You did really good on all three of the tests. So I was very impressed. So just to show that reading accuracy was administered, I want to show that's the rate correct, accuracy, rating correct of the Masai test. And then for the San Diego Quick Assessment, these were the grades administered for that. All right. I want to say thank you to the presenter and thank you to my test subject. Did really good.